Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to apply separate false eyelashes. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need your chosen false lashes, a reliable lash adhesive, a pair of fine-tip tweezers, and small scissors. Before applying, gently remove the lashes from their tray. Carefully measure each lash against your natural lash line. If they extend beyond your eye's outer corner, trim the excess from that end for a perfect fit. Now for the adhesive. Apply a very thin, consistent line of lash glue directly onto the lash band. Avoid applying too much, as this can make the application messy and difficult. Once the adhesive is on, wait patiently for about 30 seconds. This crucial step allows the glue to become tacky, which is key for a strong, lasting hold. A tacky adhesive prevents slipping and ensures a secure bond. With the adhesive now tacky, it's time for placement. Using your tweezers, carefully position the false lash band directly onto your natural lash line. Aim to get it as close as possible without touching your actual lashes. Begin by securing the center of the lash, then gently press down the inner corner, and finally the outer corner. Take your time to ensure it's perfectly aligned and fully adhered. To complete your look, let's blend everything seamlessly. Apply a light coat of mascara to both your natural and false lashes. This helps to unify them, creating a more cohesive and natural appearance. If desired, you can then gently use an eyelash curler to further integrate the two lash sets. Finally, take a moment to check for any small gaps or areas needing adjustment, ensuring a flawless finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.